Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a listing on Agoda with your friend or your family members. So first you choose the place you want to share. So for example, this one, and then on the top right you tap there, and then there you can just tap on the person you've recently talked to, or you can, for example, iMessage, so just tap iMessage and then tap who you want to send to. So for example, and then so example is there's no number there, so this will show a contact, and then for example my friend there, and then tap on the blue button and then it will be sent. So it's very simple, but if you want to send it not through iMessage or not through any app that's there, you can just copy the link and then paste it on wherever. So that's it for today, and thank you.